Good morning, guys. Welcome to Trade Confident. We got to talk about Avalanche. We just took our 111th and 112th win on Avalanche. Let me show you guys 111 over here. This didn't happen too long ago. We took a 6.94% profit on 50% of this, and then we took actually another 8% locked in profit for the other 50%. So that was pretty cool. So Avalanche, the 111th trade, is completely done. Okay. Coming down here, after that actually got hit, I came out and said, I'm getting back into Avalanche with the buy limits over here. And I sent this out yesterday. So all of us who got back into that trade here, I just called a stop loss move up. And I've never called this before, so I want to explain to you guys what I'm doing here. But we have officially won our 112th win. So guys, make sure you sign up in the membership. Told you guys when this market starts going back up, we're going to start winning trades really, really fast. So here is the overview of AVAX today. We're also going to go into the charts over here to show you guys why I think this is probably going to only continue because of some things I'm seeing, especially with the market cap absolutely exploding. Literally, like I was reading an article, like $300+ million have flooded into Avalanche within the last like 48 hours. Insane, okay? So let's take a look at this, guys. Retail traders, as far as their indicators go, most of them are green. So they're looking for this continuation move up. They have the price action above the 50, 100, and 200 moving average. So they're like, awesome, let's do this. We think it's going to keep going up. So that's a positive sign for retail traders. Now, most of the times what I say here is, yes, when we see this, we are looking for drops back down. And I am. And we're already getting it this morning because when retail traders get excited like this, institutions are going to come out and they're going to basically just sell their longs so they can liquidity is in the market, because if you have retail traders buying, you can actually sell a bunch of money if you're a whale. Let's come down here and look at this price versus well money flow and trend exhaustion. Well money flow is heading out of the market, guys. Okay, this is what I was looking at. You know what, we might have just got tagged into that. I think we just got taken out. Let me just check this real quick. So let's see if we got taken out. There's a stop loss. We might have just got this hit. I think we did. Let's take a look. We did not get hit yet. 8803 is still active, but we are literally right there. So we're probably going to get taken out right here very fast. And what I might do for you guys in Telegram is actually call another entry very soon, because I just updated the buy limits and I want us to look to get back in here. So we will probably watch this get hit live on this video. But if not, what I'm going to do, why I came out with this video, is we did 100% stop loss here. I wanted to give this room to flex down and then move back up if it wanted to, okay? So let's watch this. We're currently not here yet, and I'm going to be going back and forth here this morning. And let me just refresh this. Sorry, this is not a normal video. This is like you're watching me live trade right now. Is what you're doing. Okay, 8803. Let's look at current price, 8837. We got down to the 20s. We're looking like we're trying to bounce back up a little bit. Let me just go to the 5-minute time frame real quick. Look at structures. Just kind of think this is kind of fun. Huge red candle down. We did not get hit yet. We can see that, well, I didn't get picked up yet. So I don't know if anyone did. There probably wasn't enough people actually buying in the market there to actually have that sell go through. So we're still good. I'm just showing you guys over here. Like we haven't, let me refresh again. So we're still good. I don't think there was enough money to actually get it picked up. Yeah, 8803, we're still live. Okay, so let's see what happens here. I'll just keep you updated as this video goes on. Okay, let's move this over. Let's pause this right here, and let's go down here just a little bit further, and we'll talk about what we can expect here. As well, money flow is going down, and price action is creating this higher high. This shows us that money is flowing out of the market, okay? This is a bearish sign, and we are seeing the precursor of that this morning of a drop, all right? Trend exhaustion. When trend exhaustion is high and well money flow is high, this is where we're looking for drops down. We saw this already happen here. You guys know that when we look over in the past, you can see trend exhaustion high, well money flow high. We see drops. Awesome, guys. The indicators for these two, they're 84% off in the description. We will never have them lower, and you guys have only 10 days left, and we're going to be upping the prices of all the indicators. Seriously, the bundle pack that has all the indicators, that price is going to be going up. So make sure you guys snag that, okay? That's in the description. What I'm watching for now is the next time the trend exhaustion pushes in the top red section and well money flow is high as well, that's where I'm looking to move up the 100% stop loss, okay, around that area so we can lock in more profits. What can happen here is the price can just blow up here this morning, start moving up, and then we're going to start moving our stop loss up and follow this, okay? Or what can happen, which I think probably has a pretty high chance of this, is that we're just going to keep moving back down, and we've already got it secured of 3%. So great job, everyone. We just won a trade. All right, now let me move you guys over to the metrics, which this is actually where the big boys, this is what's happening. Okay, emotional index is looking like we're sitting in the excited area. We may, once the metrics update this morning at 8 a.m., which is in about 35 minutes, we may just push up a little bit higher. Let's see. I seriously don't even know the data until you guys know it either. So once we're up here, I've been telling you guys, look at what's happened in the past when we get up to these areas. We are seeing moves back down in Avalanche, okay? AVAX, 1, 2, 3, and look at the fourth time here. I guess you can call this the fifth and the sixth time when we got up here, we did see market reversals. So I wouldn't doubt if this shit just takes out our stop loss, but great job for everybody who set that up and they won that trade, okay? Let's move down here. Long versus short trades, this is a very bullish sign in the market, guys. Long trades increasing over here with short trades decreasing. This means that as far as a Bitfinex blockchain perspective goes, looking at long and shorts, this is very bullish. And I'm keeping my eyes, just so you guys know, keep my eyes right over here. Okay, so this is a bullish sign, continuation move up for Avalanche, okay? If this market was just going to come out here and crash all the way back down, long trades would be moving back down and short trades would be moving up. That's the sentiment I would be looking for if a crash was due. We are not seeing, seeing that, guys. But as you look at the metrics this morning, watch to see if that happens. And it'll give you guys an example there. Okay, here's the millions of dollars that I'm talking about, literally millions and millions of dollars pumping into Avalanche. If you guys don't know how this chart actually reads, let me explain this to you. Okay, get some water here. This metric, the green line, literally shows the market cap relative to AVAX, which is relevant to the rest of the crypto market. So you cannot actually have a green line go up on a currency like this, AVAX, unless it comes out of other altcoins, and that actually still includes Bitcoin. Okay, so this means that there's so much money being pulled. Here's the misconception here, is that money is just flowing into this. Yes, but it's even stronger of a metric than that. That's why I could have showed you guys market cap, and great, that's awesome. This is far more powerful than market cap because this actually shows us when the green line goes up, because it's a percentage of overall market cap, it means people are literally selling their other altcoins and dumping it into Avalanche. That is how we were able to predict this move up here. We saw market cap increasing with higher highs. Well, let's higher highs and higher lows were right here. But higher lows were entering into the market here while the price action was making lower lows, which is divergence. This means people were buying the dip by the millions. And we did a couple of videos about the millions coming out here, and we've only kept heading up. This is a continuation move up from what I am seeing. If market cap drops out like crazy, yes, we may get a drop back down, but so far this is looking good for a continuation move back up. All right, guys, trades in favor. Sitting up here into a good short trade. Yes, it is, because yesterday when this came out, it would have been a great time to short because you guys are all in the profit for that. All right. Well, institutional smart money. This came out and showed us, look, we started pushing up really high here. We need to be looking for a reversal back down in that drop. We did end up getting that drop. We got it here. People who took out short trades, most likely they already took them out, and now they're reversing back up. This is still looking like a short trade territory for smart money, which I believe is again why we're dropping this morning. It wasn't a skyrocket move back up. You guys see that? It literally dropped and it went up and it dropped again, as we can see right now. So smart money is getting their way. What I'm watching for now is if this price action starts coming down like this, I'm looking for this to increase back up, which is exactly what it did over here. And that was the precursor for a move back up. Look at over here. That was the precursor for a move back up. Look at this over here. That was the precursor for a move back up. Get these metrics on your side, guys, and you will do really, really well. Okay, support and resistance prices. Where is it? It's actually over here. That's the one I want to be looking at. So the resistance that I'm looking at is right up here. Literally, it's like at $100. Okay. Now, if we take 100 out of the way here real quick, and let me just go like this if you guys are okay with that. Let me move this out of the way, and I want to get in here a little bit deeper. The next resistance we can see is just this twin tower up here of a double top. Okay. I'm looking for this to try to push back up here, and I know this is a big red candle here, but it still shows more bullish momentum when you're looking at this from what's called I don't know exactly what to call this, guys. A candle price action is probably the best thing to say. If you guys look at this, we have 3 green candles in a row. 1, 2, 3. And then we have this red candle. Okay. Overall, this is still a bullish uptrend in my opinion. I know there's a double top here, but if I had to pick a side for this to go, I would expect for this to just be a healthy higher low and not get down here and actually see a move back up before we actually hit this low here. That's what I'm looking for, and that's what I'm expecting, which is why I put the stop loss here, and I think we could actually just start moving back up. Let me just check one more time to see if this got executed. Most of you guys waking up probably didn't get the signal till now, so I think we're all still good. I don't even have that much money in this trade, and I didn't even get picked up. So most of you guys, like no one probably got picked up here. Okay, so we're good. All right, let's continue back down here. If you did get picked up, by the way, let me explain this. If you guys did get picked up on that, use the buy limits on AVAX this morning because I have them very, very close to where we got an exit here if you guys got picked up. So don't worry. Just get back into the trade with the buy limits, and I'll show you where to do that right now. So everyone watching this, they're like, oh man, I wish I would have got back into that trade. No, I'll show you how to get into this trade here. Dollar cost average entries, guys, for those of you who are diamond hand holding, what an incredible, incredible entry you got right here before the market started moving up. So congratulations. Moving back down here, exit points. Hey, guys, just watch the metrics. That's all I got to say. This called it back over here. Before this thing dropped, this actually came out was like, hey, you may want to look for an exit, and that was right over here. It wasn't at the top. It was beforehand. That was looking for the move back down. And that's, guys, did you notice where we called the exit on the last AVX trade? Right around that area. We're using the metrics. That's what you guys can be doing. So we're actually sitting up here about 4.39%. So watch for me to call a move up of the stop loss in the Telegram channel. Okay, the trade setup, I do want to keep this private for our members, but literally, if you guys want to join us, here's what you're going to do. Scroll to the bottom, and you're going to see 4 buy limits. I'm going to show you what to do on Bitcoin this morning because that's what we're going to be looking at. Oh, sorry. I should have done this in the beginning already. In order to access all these guys, I need to update this win right here. You guys just pay $95 a month. That's it. You're going to get access to all the metrics as well as the Telegram channel. I showed you guys where I'm going to be calling all the exits, where I'm entering back into trades. You get access to all the master classes, the scalping master classes, and we are going live this next month in April on Zoom as a family, do an open Q&A session and talk about the markets. It's so much fun, guys. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. Make sure you guys are over here and you're snagging your membership because we're going to try to push for 120 wins in the month of March. Okay, I'm going to update this. So this actually reflects the 112th win. So next time you guys see the website, that will be updated. Okay, coming to crypto charts, let me show you guys how to get into this trade. Sorry, I'm kind of all over the place. It's kind of like a little bit of live trading and it's not a crazy morning, but it's just really exciting, I think is the best way to say that. Okay, you guys are going to see 4 yellow lines on the AVAX trade. If you guys want to get into this, here's what you guys can do. You can choose the amount that you want to enter the trade with. Let's say it's $1,000. Now split the $1,000 into 4 equal portions of $250 and place the $250 at each of the 4 buy limit prices in yellow. So $250, $250, $250, $250. Obviously this is Bitcoin, but you're going to see 4 yellow lines exactly like you see on Bitcoin, on Avalanche, on that chart I showed you. They have the prices there and they're going to update here in about 27 minutes. Okay. Once your first buy limit is hit, set up a sell limit in green for a 100% exit up here. This is in case the market, as it may do right now, skyrockets up and just hits this. Okay, so make sure you guys are watching that. I do not have a sell limit in place, as you guys can see over here for this trade, because I've got the stop loss and I'm just going to move the stop loss up. So if you guys are wondering that, that is why I'm doing that. I'm not looking for the sell limit to get hit up here. For this trade, I'm going to just trail this with a 100% stop loss, which you guys can see right here on March 21st. Okay, once you guys have that set up, follow me in Telegram, and this is where people are going to start, piling back into Telegram. It's funny to watch you guys. It's like, you guys will have your membership and then you'll purchase your membership again when we start winning trades. And I get it. But guys, honestly, when the win rate is not going up that much, it means market's dropping. And that's actually the best time to have your membership because that's when we're getting into lower prices. It's opposite. It's just like retail traders who trade with emotions and Wells institutions who trade against retail traders. Get a membership, guys. We are seriously just going to keep winning this trade. And literally what we can do here is we can ping pong this back and forth, and we could literally win the next 4 trades in a row on Avalanche. If you guys are just watching the Telegram channel and using the buy limits over here, I use the exact same buy limits as all of you guys, and you can vouch for that because anybody who actually came out here and did the buy limits, you can see that these are the exact ones you have as well. Super exciting, guys. So wrapping up this video, make sure you guys are getting the indicators because this is what I'm watching for. Trend exhaustion, top red section, well money flow moving up. That's where I'm looking to move the stop loss back up, okay? Which could happen very soon, so watch out for that. And then make sure you guys are getting the membership over here so you guys are able to see all the trades that I'm calling and be able to access all the metrics for all this. And again, this is 112 for 0 losses, and I will update this once I get off this video. God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Let's see if we can go 120 for 120 wins. Congrats, guys, for this win that you already took with a stop loss move. And I will keep you guys updated. Snag a membership. This is the time. This is the time, guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.